Today it is Diva's birthday, and the mini pet pals buy her a fab bike. Diva brings it home, but doesn't know what to do with it. She then tries to use it as a hanger. The day after, Diva is sad as she doesn't know what to do. She turns the TV on, but she's so bored. She calls Olly. Olly tells her she's about to go out to ride her bike. So Diva very quickly takes off all the bits she has put on her bike. She then goes along the river for a long ride. She goes home. She's very happy and meets Top Hat. He asks her why she's so happy. Diva replies, "On your bike you must hop, for all boredom to stop." And nature's beauty just pops. The mini pet pals are heading to the park, but Diva prefers to stay at home and watch TV. But one day she gives in and joins her friends at the park. They play ball. She's the goalkeeper. After a while she's so exhausted and she's so sad. Once she does not parry the ball. She then sits on a bench and starts crying her eyes out. She feels sick all of a sudden. Olly says to her, "You're not sick, you're just very weak, you never exercise." The day after, Diva starts cycling to school, and in the afternoon, after doing her homework, she runs and plays outdoor. After a few days, she plays again as goalkeeper and she parries everything. Diva has understood that to keep tiredness at bay, have fun outdoor every day.